Stand up. Stand up. I'm fine.
This is fucking ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Ma'am, there was no need for cussing me out. Until he can calm down and act like an adult, he's going to send back the car.
Let me explain to you. My husband has severe PTSD. Severe. He's a 100% disabled veteran. And he's fucking... That's why I'm here.
You going to talk to me? You going to let me talk, or you just want to interrupt me the entire time, ma'am?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Until he can calm down and act like a human being and stop cussing me out for no reason. So I'm trying to explain to him what happened. But he doesn't want to let me talk, okay? So do you want to let me talk or not?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay. Now,